I have SONY Xperia XZ and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at first let's use your home screen, let's tap apps icon, find and select settings. Then you have to scroll down to the device tab and right here let's choose lock screen and security. Let's choose fingerprint manager, and as you can see you can unlock your device by using a fingerprint, so let me tap continue. At first you have to set up a backup screen lock method, so let's choose setup screen lock method, and here you have to decide either you would like to use pattern, pin or password. Let me select pattern. You can choose either you would like to require pattern after restart or you can choose no thanks. Let me choose no thanks. Tap continue. Let's draw your unlock pattern. Let's do it again just for confirmation. And then you have to choose your form of notification. You can select show all notification content, hide sensitive notification, or don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me choose the first option and let's tap done. Then you have to use your sensor and you have to save your fingerprint, so let's tap next. The sensor is located at your power key right here. Let's choose next. And let's touch your sensor by using your desired fingerprint. Let me tap my fingerprint a couple of times just to save correctly the fingerprint. And that's it, fingerprint is added. Now you can add another one or tap done. Let me choose done. Here you've got a couple of options. For example, you can make pattern invisible, you can change the time when the device is automatically locked, or you can just go and use your lock method by using a power key. And now if you would like to use your device, you can enter the device by using a pattern, or you can do it by using a fingerprint. Let me show you. Let's just press a power key and that's it. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.